हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो जैसा कि आपको टाइटल से पता चल ही गया होगा कि ये वीडियो किस बारे में, तो लेट्स गो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, क्लींजिंग माय फेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ वेट वाइप्स। And then we are using Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer with the help of stripping brush. Prepping your skin is very important. Then we are using primer. Again with the help of stripping brush, and if you don't have any brush or something, then you can use your hands like this. I want this makeup tutorial for everyone who wears anything, or it will suits on every jewelry. Now prepping is done, then we move to corrector. Let's start with green corrector, which hides active pimple or pimple marks. And then we will hop in directly into orange corrector for two-tone. And then we blend it with the help of beauty blender to blend it very nicely. Then now finally we are moving to foundation. I don't want any glowy look, I just want a dewy look, so that's why I'm directly applying with the beauty blender. And it's a Indian festival, so obviously it's a festive season and wedding season, so I am going with a one tone lighter with my shade, with my tone shade. After doing my face, I will cover my neck also. And yes, covering your ear is as much as important like neck. We'll directly hop into contour part. I don't want sharp contour, that's why I'm doing a powder contour. Guys, I hope this will help you on your Diwali fest or wedding season. And if you do this or try this, please let me know. Do DM me or tag me. Now we will do for eye makeup. Using brown and purple eyeshadow, dark purple eyeshadow, and then using shimmer. It's the best part of my eyeshadow, my favorite eyeshadow. And you guys will see on my next YouTube video that how it will go on every outfit or every jewelry. So please stay tuned for that also. Using peacock green kajal. Tender care lip balm for removing dryness of my lips. And then lipstick. This is a hack. It's blushing time, and now it's come my favorite part. Yeah, it's highlighter. I love this a lot. highlighter part is my most favorite thing in my makeup. So guys, Indian fest और Indian wedding है तो बिंदी तो बनती है. So my makeup is done, but final look. So Instagram reel 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. I hope you enjoy this video. Till then, like, share and comment also if you find any mistake or something. Till then, bye bye.